Hey human, join me today as I walk you through this simple and easy everyday minimal makeup routine. It is perfect for those days when I want a fresh, natural look without, of course, the harshness of too much makeup. No, 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 no. We are not doing that here today. This quick and easy routine is my go to, and I cannot wait to share with you. So, humans, let's embrace simplicity and enhance our beauty together. Let's do this. All right, let's go. Before then, I just need to tidy up. The importance of skincare as the foundation of a flawless look cannot be overlooked. So, because I needed time to allow my skincare products to sit on my face, I did that off camera, which is basically washing, toner, moisturizing, and applying my sunscreen. Then I went ahead to do my foundation routine. If you watch most of my makeup videos, you will see that I like to use rose water to set my face together. Now, I love this brush. To achieve your beautiful makeup, particularly the amazing bariat tools can help you to elevate your natural application of makeup. I love this angle brush. It just sets everything for me in place with one swap. One. So after this, I go in with my powder. We're gracefully transitioning from the liquids to the dry. So I like to use this powder brush. You can also use it for foundation. This brush just makes a whole lot of sense. What do I mean by this? It helps your application in the sense that you use the minimal products for maximum impact. Make sense? So I love to do the dabbing process, which helps your products to stay in place. Do not forget, today we are looking at minimalist makeup. Minimalist makeup routine. Yeah. So it's not too much. You do not want to have a caked up face. You just want something that is minimal but flawless at the same time. So this is exactly how I pencil out my sparse brows. You should check out my other tutorials on how to draw your brows perfectly. Especially if you have sparse brows like I do. That's basically it. There's really nothing much to do with brows. It literally takes me less than a minute. I am not making this up. But before now, oh my goodness, it usually would take me like 1,000,000 years. But now I can say I'm a pro. All right, so after brushing with your spoolie, you want to go back, check any sparse sections. You just fill that up And this pencil I am using is short, but it is functional. I usually will use my pencils till the last bit. Okay, so my eyeshadow here is basically really simple. So I wanted that to pop a bit. So I introduced a bit of color, some tone of orange, and I'll blend that into the brown shade that I had applied all over my lid. Then if you notice, I used powder also from this palette. They are all Bariats products to highlight my brows. So I came in with a dark shade of the brown just to make my eyes pop, and it's time for our lips. Now, this is a blunt pencil. It is going to help me get my lips sculpted just the way I want it. It's a minimal makeup look we're going for, so no drama. So I started with a seamless foundation application, gracefully transitioned to my eyes. Now we're on our lips. We will continue on these lips because we want it looking all natural. So I come in after applying my lipstick. I came in with my dry products from the powder palette and then reintroduce the lipstick again just to give it a little bit of shine. Now we're moving to the cheeks. I basically just use eyeshadow, an orange tone eyeshadow. Now I'm following with my pigment, which is a bronze shade, and I like to highlight my cheeks, my nose, the bridge of my nose, and that is it. Do not forget your chin. That's it, guys. This is how I apply my mascara. Yes, I brush forward, then I flip like I am doing in this video. Look at the difference. It's nothing much. Human is not. Alrighty, I show you a close-up version of what I did. So I usually will apply the product, then flip it to make sure I do not have clumps. Now let's make this brows look natural. And that's all I have for you. I guess I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Mwah!